Well, I ended that last video with a tongue twister, didn't I, folks? But anyway, TFG and Mike with the Geekcast Radio Network. Let's go ahead and get this show on the road with Must Catch Stars. Oh no, there's broccoli. Is there any other? No, it doesn't look like there's any other. Okay.
I have the power! Sup, ladies? Sup, ladies? Sup, ladies?
And there we go. 1424 in the books. Wow. That was under a minute. Holy crap. If I could do most levels under a minute, that would be amazing. Alright. Let's see what 14 whatever is next. Wait, I want to track something here, folks. 1412 was the last mud level. So we haven't had a mud level since 1412. We're already up to 1425. I'm betting we're going to get some mud levels here soon.
Are you ready?
Nope. Give 3 toes. Give 3 toes, that's it.
Here we go. Boop.
Oh, you
Sup, ladies?
rotten to the core. I should have gotten rid of the jelly first. Dang it. That ruined that move.
Sup, ladies? You're amazing, friend.
There we go. Haha.
About?
Alright, folks. There you go. 1424 and 1425 all in one level. And I will see you next time.